Let's check out VOXCAR's Car Buddy AI. This is one of the coolest features in the app. Let's get into the AI chat features using VOXCAR's Car Buddy AI. This really shows off some of the most helpful value that VOXCAR delivers, whether you have one car or many. This is the meat and potatoes, so let's dive in. VOXCAR's Car Buddy AI is set up for you to have vehicle-specific AI chats. There are some quick suggestions. However, you can just jump directly in by clicking Start New Conversation now. Let's start off by asking Car Buddy AI to build us a checklist for an upcoming adventure. After a few moments, Car Buddy AI will produce a checklist that's specific to the vehicle and the adventure that you have described, should you choose to do so. This is just one example of how you can leverage VOXCAR's Car Buddy AI. Creativity is your only limit here. Select Confirm to continue.